Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then I am here with you along with a very stylish, very pretty and classic collection of hand embroidered wool, hand knitted, handmade, crochet made scarves, stalls, mini shawls, even full body length, full coverage big shawls. So one by one we will be discussing these designs, but before discussion of these designs, kindly do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And on my channel you can get a very creative, wide and vast variety of fashion ideas, tutorials, step-by-step vlogs related to women fashion. So stay blessed, stay tuned and stay connected and keep watching my content as you always have been. Now let's move back to the video details. Friends, actually these embroidery patterns are two in one. That is, you can make these embroidery patterns by using different hand embroidered stitches, or you can also get these scarves, stalls made for you through machine embroidery as well, and different types of machine embroideries could be used for them. That is automated, simple, hand embroidered machine embroidery, or any sort of other digital or computerized based machine embroidery. It totally depends up to you. The basic purpose is to share some chic and classic, latest trendy new design ideas so that you could remain classy, stylish and elegant at the same time, while keeping yourselves protected from winter and utmost cold atmosphere. And these scarves could be worn by every age group girls, that is from baby girls to the teenagers, and teenagers to the youngsters, and youngsters to the older ones. For baby girls, you just have to make the stole or scarves smaller in size, as you have been seeing in the whole entire video. So friends, I hope my today's video was enough for you, and the suggestions, opinions, design ideas and our discussion was very informative for you. And if you really like these designs, this video, then kindly do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon. I am again requesting you, and kindly massively share my videos with your friends and family. And now we are moving up to the last part of our video, into which you are seeing a very wide variety of different traditional based, custom based Sindhi embroidery shawls, traditional Pakistani embroidery shawls, traditional Indian designer wear, even Korean, Chinese, Japanese style inspired, Brazilian style embroidery shawls. In this collection you will be amazed to see almost all sort of geographical regions would be covered. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay tuned. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care.